Sandali lang to. Pasensya na, magulo. Thank you, thank you. Quick live lang po, mga 30 minutes. Wala akong isa ka ano. We're here in Malaybalay. Dito po kami ngayon sa Malaybalay City. Aga lang po kami nag-travel kasi bibili daw napunta sa Tabo. Yung ano ba? Yung nagtatapok yung mga local. See people in the house. Thank you so much. Actually, this is the terminal of Malaybalay, public terminal. Yan. Ito naman yung public market ng Malaybalay. Po. Good morning, everyone. 4 people in the house. Thank you so much. We're here in the public market of Malaybalay. We're buying fish. Hindi lang ako makasama dun sa mismong actually sila inside. Hello, the Bud Files. Thank you so much for coming. Later, I will go to your house after my live. Thank you so much, Def. Simple Craft. This will be just a quick live, around 30 minutes. Quick live, tapos 30 minutes, ano? Ang tagal. Thank you for the 5 people you're viewing. Thank you so much. May naririnig kayong sound? Oh my God, may naririnig ka. I-mute ko lang ha. Marag naririnig yung sound sa gawas. Mama Cat's Vlog, thank you so much for coming. Hello there, good morning to you. Good evening to you. Hi, Aling Tindera, thank you for coming. May bigla ang lakad, kaya dito na lang ako na. Naririnig ba yung sounds? Good morning. Naririnig yung sounds, Aling Tindera? May sounds kasi sa labas. Wow, namalig. Oo, ang husband ko, tsaka si Insoy, ayan, diyan ang palengke namin. Si Insoy, tsaka yung, biyanan ko nandyan. Saan ka? Mukhang palengke. Oo, palengke to. Boses mo lang narinig. Okay. Akala ko narinig yung kasi kung naririnig, ko sana i-mute ko. Ayan, palengke yan ng Malaybalay. Nandito ko sa palengke. Actually, hindi ako makalabas kasi nandito si Marco. Sinama kasi namin. Oo, malinis yung palengke namin. Yan. Doon sa loob, malinis din yan. Yan yung public market namin. Hi, Mama Cats. Hi, Sis No. Thank you so much for coming. Yan. Quick live lang po, mga 30 minutes lang po.